Joey Strub here, Bikeman Performance. Today we're doing a Tech Tuesday on what mods should you do and what order should you do them in. So first let's talk, if you go to our website, you'll see all kinds of different stuff. It might be a little bit confusing. Just know that, the number one mod to do to any UTV or snowmobile is a clutch kit, because you're gonna more efficiently get that power that you're making to the ground, and you're gonna be able to adjust it to your driving style. If you're looking for more than just a clutch kit, skip over all the other parts and go right to our bolt-on performance kits, because our bolt-on performance kits are going to combine the right piecemeal of parts, put them together in exactly what you should get. You're not going to be trying mixing, matching, making your own recipe that's going to work. We've already gone through all that work for you, and you'll find that in our bolt-on performance kits. Now, if it's a turbo, a lot of times you can just select a higher level tune within the bolt-on performance kit tuning. All of our kits have either torque link tuning or other flash devices. And if you're somebody that wants to make noise, we have louder exhaust options. Usually you will find those within our bolt-on performance kits in a drop down, so you can select to them from there. If you're one of those people that want to go to that next level, I really recommend calling us, telling us what your plan is for your vehicle, how far you want to go, and we can maybe put together a custom package for you that's going to work good. What you definitely want to stay away from is using our clutch kit with company B's tuning, with company Z's exhaust, and trying to figure out if something's not jiving, why it's jiving. Because if you do that, none of the companies involved can help you, because they're all dealing with a variable that they're out of control of. So one of the biggest things, stick to everything from the same company. We hope it's our company, but if it's not our company, it should all be the same company. And then that company will be able to help you. We have people on hand all the time that if you have questions, if it's 100% our product, we can help you figure out exactly where you may have went wrong in your installation or what's different about your vehicle. But if you stick with the bolt-on performance packages, it's guaranteed it's going to work.